Hi guys, this is my bike check 2015. As you can see, it's a KHE bike AD. It's a 2012 Menace son. United seat. And a knee hub. It's quite nice. Red. Cranked, I'm not sure of them. The sprocket is exposed. Pedals are Odysseys. Same with the front wheel, it's the same with the back. Tires are them. They're white walls. The forks are a 34, I think the Odyssey, and same with the 34 Odyssey, same with the bars, 34 Odyssey. The stem is the same as the bars. These are just some no make stem bars, some no bar ends, and the other side is a ODI bar end. Yeah, that's about it. And here's the sound of the wheel. If you like it, please comment, subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. Thanks.